So we are now putting on the new hood, the old hood. The paint didn't turn out too bad, but all right, with the hood installation, this bolt from our old hood worked perfectly fine. However, this bolt for the spring is smaller from our stock hood, so we had to, because it was smaller, it actually didn't thread into this hood, so we had to add a different bolt, and we made our metal, we just grinded it out a little bit, the hole bigger for that bolt to work. So you might have to customize it a little bit. All right guys, so yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's not fun. These, not fun at all. On the other side, not fun at all. This, not fun at all. That went on easy. It doesn't line up as nice as the stock hood on the back here, but overall I do like the hood. It is nice. So it's a nice hood. We still got to put the vent in. It's a nice hood. I'm happy with it, but the fitment, you got to play with it. You just really got to play with it. But I do like it. All right, so Jeep hood update, vehicle update, add the Rubicon decals and the new hood. Now I got to take it to the car wash because it is filthy.